Hey guys, what's going on? Short and sweet one today because I didn't really do too much. I took a personal day yesterday, and Mondays are always slow for me anyways because I'm trying to get a feel for what the market is doing and what certain stocks are doing. So Tuesday was even harder because I missed all of Monday, and to be perfectly honest with you, I came into the market today unprepared, and I should have had a red day, but I did not, thanks to NBEV. Because if you come to the market unprepared, you really should not make any money. But this was the one I poured all of my focus into in the morning, and then I took some stupid trades in the morning that I'll go over to that were just impulsive and lacked any sort of semblance of a plan. Uh, but the thought process here is, this high volume area from yesterday was major area of interest for me. And then also this pre-market action, we had a little break of this ascending triangle, and that's what I'm looking at in the morning. So I want to see how we react to these levels. And what happened was we kind of got under there, opened weak, tried to rebound, failed, got in there some decent size, and we broke trend. We're down. I'm scaling out in case we have some type of double bottom here. Just kept ripping lower, and I'm trying to peel some off into these higher volume washes, the acceleration. I did miss this right here. This would have been a perfect kind of reversal, maybe get out of more of it than this, but I kept a little piece on. We had this little action going on through here that we broke, so I added a little bit more back, about half size, and then I had to go on the road. I was in the office today, and I had a really tight stop set, and I actually got top ticked out for a cover. And I got back right after that, saw that we're still kind of like, we're still hanging out in these lower ranges. When we have these type of gap down under VWAP, consolidation under VWAP, and no real semblance of a push higher, I mean, that's the most bearish thing I could see. So I got back in there with some decent conviction, and then took the rest off. It was a great little trade. Um, once we got under these low a day levels, we really started coming in. So I wouldn't be surprised to see another gap down on this, but that trade for me is probably done. Um, the nice trade on it would have been yesterday, but I was not around, so no big deal. Um, I'm going to go over the morning trades real quick. This is what not having a plan looks like right here. It just started ripping up. Long story short, I should not have been in this trade. I shouldn't have clicked a single button, and I fought it to break even. And I'm lucky because I deserve to get my ass kicked for doing this type of thing. We ripped straight up. I'm like, okay, we're gonna have a pullback. I'll look at it for a scalp. Got short, added, covered the ad, basically around a core, and I just didn't like that because if you look at the daily, yesterday we had a consolidation around this 50 moving average, and it was the today was the one, two, three, four, five, sixth um, day, 5 red days, and then right here we had a gap down as well. I think the proper plan, if I came in prepared, would have been a gap down, week open, risk-based low a days, yesterday's low a days, and that would have been perfect because we had this nice high volume move right there, and would have been really minimal risk. And it was a buck. It was a buck within a few minutes. So um, came out, not super red there. Pretty flat. I think it was $29 loss. But um, Facebook, I did the same thing where I was like really eager to get in there first thing in the morning. This is kind of like a nice stuff candle, but really the trade would have been to wait for this to confirm, and this is confirmation, this stuff right here, and then another fail if you need more confirmation, which I would have. But if you have this little downtrend or this uptrend that got broken, and then from there, under VWAP, and would have been a nice little trade, nothing major, but I try to take a couple of those a day. AMRN was a good trade. I was actually um, patient for the signal after I got the early morning jitters out, and this is what I was looking at. Uh, we kept that was my area of interest because we kept kind of stuffing in these levels. Also, if you want to come down and use this like high volume area too, we kept, we couldn't build above it basically, and but we were above VWAP, and then also when I took this trade, I didn't realize SSR was on, and I didn't realize what time of day it was. Just today was kind of a clusterfuck. My mind was not there. I was not in sync the way I normally am, and honestly, I'm lucky to be green today. So the goal for tomorrow is to come in with a great plan, to study my ass off, and make up for today's kind of lackadaisical trading, because there's no place for that in this game, and I almost wish the market would have taught me a lesson today, honestly, because I would have deserved it. So that is it. Gonna achieve that goal tomorrow because I'm gonna start studying right now, and uh, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Have a good one.